Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Weedor from Weedor Coaching and Consulting, empowering the young minds to reach their full potential through personal development, study choice coaching, career counseling, and business consulting. So today I would like to highlight another great scholarship opportunity. At the Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University is offering this specific scholarship opportunity for non-European students, international students who are eager and willing to study abroad. This is your opportunity. This scholarship is like a one-year program. It covers a one-year program. So it's for Master of Science international students who are eager to study. If you are done with your previous bachelor program and you wish to pursue a Master of Science program, this is your opportunity. Is that this scholarship is in the form of a waiver scholarship, meaning that it covers a huge amount of your tuition fee. Today's day, tuition fee for non-European students is around 22,500 euro, and this scholarship will cover a huge amount of this scholarship. This opportunity will cover a huge amount of your tuition fee. So you may even only have to pay estimate of 2,600 euro for your tuition fee. But you have to review the website of the school for current and up-to-date information concerning your tuition fee as well. But just know this scholarship covers a huge amount of the tuition fee, and you only have to pay a small amount when it comes to tuition fee. Another thing to take into consideration is the scholarship is for the tuition fee. You will not be paid that amount into your account. Once you got admission for the study program, for the Master of Science program, the scholarship will cover that, given the amount that it's going to cover it, and you're not going to pay any tuition fee, or you wouldn't pay a huge amount of your tuition fee for enrollment as well. Some of the key requirements that I'm going to reflect on now is, for example, you have to give a strong motivation letter. Your motivation letter, you have to state clearly why do you need this scholarship opportunity. And in your stating why you need this scholarship opportunity, you have to reflect on your financial situation, giving your financial background, your financial situation, giving your country of origin or your community you're coming from. Why do you need this scholarship opportunity? Lack of financial support could be one of the key reasons that most people apply for a scholarship opportunity. You have to explain your financial situation in a motivation letter. You have to be straightforward with it. You also have to state in your motivation letter, why do you deserve this scholarship opportunity? And in that part, you have to reflect your academic results. You have to reflect on your previous bachelor program or the current master program that you want to enroll into. Why do you need this? Why do you deserve it? And also think about, for example, your current work condition. What sector are you working in, or do you wish to enroll into after graduation? Those are things to consider once giving a strong motivation letter about your needs and why you deserve this scholarship opportunity. Another key requirement is that you have to have a score of GMAT with score of 595. And another score that is also very important that they take into account is the GRE score. You have to have 395 when it comes to score. You have to be a high score result. And sometimes, given the country you are coming from, you have to give an English language skill test results. It could be a TOEFL test result, or RELTS test, or any other relevant English language test that is school also take into account. But if you are from an English speaking country, it may not be even necessary for you to give an English skills results language test. Another important thing as criteria you have to take into account is that you have to have a clear budget plan when it comes to your financial plan. The school wants to know, and also have a format that you have to fill in. The school wants to know what income are you expecting to have. It comes from salary, money transfer that would be coming to you, your income, your scholarship. Those are all things. Are you going to receive some other scholarship tuition fee or other scholarship money? Those are all income you may be expecting. And the school also wants you to write down on a statement, a budget plan statement, what are some of your expenses you are expecting. Think about food, rents, utilities, electricity, gas, water. Those are things that you have to pay when you are studying abroad. So this is a great opportunity for non-European students who are eager to study abroad. If you have high grades and you are eager to learn, and another thing, not to forget some of your volunteer work, your non-profit or your social work that you are doing. It's also a good thing to give us information on about in your motivation letter. So once you are socially connected and eager and active in your community, or you're working for a non-profit organization in specific non-profit projects, those are things to put in your motivation letter, and yeah, consider that as well. So let's review the scholarship opportunity on the website of Rotterdam School of Management. As you can see, the number of scholarships that is given. Number of scholarships limited, meaning merit based, meaning scholarship covered the tuition fees, at least a huge part of the tuition fee. It may not cover other expenses as well. So think about living expenses, rent, food, insurance. Scholarship does not cover those expenses. Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University. Scholarship is for non-European students. Scholarship of Excellence. We also have scholarship of NL scholarship, Erasmus Trust Funds. So let's focus on RSM scholarship for non-European students. This scholarship is a grant that covers a huge part of your tuition fee. As you can see, the general overview of the tuition fee of the website. So once you get a scholarship opportunity, you will assist, like I said before, as an ambassador for the scholarship opportunity. Enrollment of this scholarship is through student link. which is just an organization between you and the university. Then when you enrolled into the master program of Rotterdam School of Management, student link. You have to create an account on student link. Arrange your enrollment in the program. Once you create an account at student link, you can see further information on which steps to take when it comes to enrollment for a specific master program at the University of Rotterdam School of Management. So once you register to student link, you will receive a link to our own online application form. So the school will send you a link, or you will receive a link from for the school online application form, the OLAF. That's the application form for the school. So first you have to enroll to student link, and then you'll get an online application form for the school as well. So through your application of the OLAF form, the school will decide which scholarship opportunity you will get, you'll be considered for based on the requirements. So as you have answered your need for the scholarship opportunity in your motivation, based on your financial situation, as you have answered why you deserve this scholarship opportunity based on your academic excellence and other related topics, also based on your budget plan using the template. We're going to go through that. This is the budget plan. In budget plan, you have the expected income per month, which is your benefits, your housing, healthcare, allowance, scholarships, living fee, money transfer, gifts, savings, your other incomes, and also your monthly expenses when it comes to housing, rent, food, travel, healthcare. So a budget plan is very important when you state your income and your expenses as well. When to apply, beginning October to March next year. The application period is open. Applicants for all Master of Science program except Master of Science International Management. If you wish to enroll into the International Management program, your application period is 1st October this year to 31st of January next year. Every other program has a deadline until March 1st, but only International Management have a deadline till 31st of January next year. So this is the application periods and the process through the website. Well, for now, that's what I wanted to give you as information. I look forward to hearing from you. If you have questions reviewing personal development when it comes to study choice coaching, choosing the right study of your choice, given the master program that you wish to enroll into, you can ask me a question on that. If you have questions relating to career opportunities, if you have questions relating to business consulting, I look forward to hearing from you. Leave a comment below and let's connect.